Hi everyone, my name is Leah Thyberg. I am taking this genetics course as a prerequisite for a nursing program that I am starting in May. So I'm currently taking a couple other prerequisites as well. This is the first one that I've taken through Doane University Online and looking forward to it very much. Um, I am currently in the healthcare consulting world. I've been a healthcare consultant for the past 4 years. I mainly work in the surgical space, so I help hospitals run more efficiently as it relates to their operating rooms. So things like even making sure their turnover time in the OR is efficient, making sure that their costs are down. So kind of more on the operations end. Like I said, I'm starting school in May for nursing. I'm really excited about that. It's a 1 year accelerated bachelor's program. I already have a bachelor's, but this will be my second one. So taking these classes as a prerequisite and kind of getting my feet wet again back into the world of academia. A little bit about me. Let's see, I went to the University of Maryland for my undergrad degree from Maryland. I love to read, write, bake, love to hike. I have a 1-year-old dog. Let me see if I can show you her. This is Maisie. She's great. She is a lab beagle mix. She's like very stunned right now. Come here, Maisie. But she's really great. Yeah, she just turned 1 year old and she's awesome. I travel a lot for work, which is not great with having a dog, but I get to go to some really cool places in the United States always, but it's fun to kind of get out and see what else is out there. So I was just in Dallas for a week, got to explore down there, was in Salt Lake City a couple weeks ago. So I do like that part of my job, to getting to travel. I do love to hike a lot, so most of my vacations are kind of centered around hiking and like being outdoors and that kind of stuff. And it's great to take Maisie out there with me. Yeah, so that's a little bit about me. Looking forward to working with everyone in this class, and best of luck to everyone. Thanks so much. Bye.